So I'm changing out the inner and outer tie rods on a 97 Honda Civic. This is not an instructional video, just a quick tip on the part that I found to be the hardest. Um, this boot, I got my parts from Detroit Axle, and in the comments there were some comments about how difficult the boot was to wrestle on, and I found that to be true, to the point where I was almost ready to give up. I could not, laying on my back, get enough leverage to pop that thing on. So at the last minute, I came up with the idea. I set my oven to the lowest possible temperature, which I think was 170. Threw this rubber boot in there for just a couple minutes just to get it warm, and I ended up rolling the edge back on itself, and then slip this over. It's a little bit difficult to get this part up and over, but once you get it there, then you can roll this up over the flange like so, and it was night and day. Literally struggling for probably a half an hour, getting no results anywhere, to just popping this thing on. So that's my tip of the day. Like I said, mechanically it really isn't that hard, but getting this boot on for me turned out to be a challenge. So I'm going to do the passenger side today. Just one other tidbit: there's a lot of tools and everything out there, and my biggest fear of starting this, having never done it before, was trying to get the old one off. I bought this thing. There's reviews and online, but this was a great purchase, inexpensive. Mine popped right off, went right back on, so I would highly recommend this tool if you're looking for something to get when you do your project. All right, that's it. On to the passenger side.